everyone, so today I don't even know what we're doing because we never know what we're doing because that's just us. And now I'm just talking so fast today, I don't even know why, so I guess it's just an update video. Wild Weekend Jamma Holidays in July. Are you feeling glow? No. In need of some cheer? No. We have 1 weekend only. The Jamma Holidays are here. The Jamma Holiday Jam has opened the door. Okay, I can't even read that. Pet goats. We're not kidding. Pet goats are trotting back to Jamma. Okay. Oh, I hated that adventure. What even is this? Wait, what? What? Where even is it? Is it like in the damage? Something? Let's go look there. So we're at the diamond shop. About to see if this. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. That looks disgusting. What about this? No. More disgusting stuff. As usual. Where even is the wing? Oh, I don't care about that. I'm so bad at Where even is this? Oh my gosh. What is this? Night Armor is coming to Jamma's next shop for a limited time. On the next 2 Mondays. No. Oh wait, 2 Mondays. I'm so stupid. So, what? No. No, I guess we can just make something with, this looks pretty gross. Let's do something. No, it looks gross, but come on. Beautiful. This color? No, that looks disgusting. No. No. That looks absolutely disgusting. So, let's just restart this thing. So, maybe stars? Good. This looks so disgusting. Ew. Ew. Let's go see what other people think about it. Oh my god, she's always showing me pictures, I don't know why. Let's go. Yes. So, rate my four. They're probably not even going to come here. Because, no one does that. Some people actually. Sorry you had to see that. So, the next person is going to be. Colors are smart. Hi. The water goes higher than the neck. What? Oh yeah, you're too busy to be on. Get wrecked. Shots fired. We're just fine. Ew. Actually, to be honest, that looks better. I just look crazy. Yeah, I look really crazy. So this looks turned out pretty good. Oh yes, they're online. Oh wow. Okay then. Can they not just fit one more tiny fox in there? Like, look at me. Who would not want this beautiful face in their land? So let's turn off this gross music because it's hurting my head and it's making me get a headache. So then oh wait, nope. Again. Yes, final. Where is he? She, I meant. Nice benevolence. Everyone doesn't even care about my beautiful fox, but they're just like here like that. Like what? Look at that. That looks so strange. How does a new jammer have this? And why do these people put these weird letter things in their names? I don't even know what that means. Train me non-member C. Look up item worth. Oh gosh, I can't even talk. Who wants? No, that's so unfair. Normally people cost like, they put it up for 400 diamonds. That is just disgusting. Ew. For this video, if you enjoyed, be sure to like out of all my videos. I think this is probably the best one.